I go. Oh, Lord. No. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. So, we are on episode 3. Cereal Wars. Welcome back, y'all. Like my new design. It's going to be that way until YouTube revenue comes in and give us some of that so we can pay our bills. So, today for round 3, I am doing Captain Crunch Berries versus Berry Crackles. Signature Select brand. I know I'm picking on Safeway brands, but that's the nearest grocery store I have around me, and the nearest Walmart is like 3 miles away. Nah, I look here. Are you gonna be a part of the video? Or are you gonna sit there and play games? Oh yeah. So anyway, Walmart as well, but I said Safeway because that's where Signature Select came from. Today, I have another guest. My producer, director, Q-Bird, is playing video games. Y'all know usually we already saw you. Come on up. Usually we do this at nighttime, but we're doing this in the morning time because why not? I'm like, hey, working a little bit. So,
everyone has to work to get more
money. Exactly. Wow, I ain't even introduced her yet. This is Koala, y'all.
Koala. They like koala.
You're gonna be called Fruit. Okay. So.
Koala.
Fruit.
Okay.
Yeah, she's only like
6.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
I'm
so
6.
Today is one of those. One hand, pour the cereal in there so we don't have to waste too much time. That's the Berry Crackles. This is Captain Crunch Berries right there. You can already kind of tell which one looks like what, so I don't have to close my eyes and do the mysterious pour like I did in the first video and stuff like that. You know, my director, when he got in trouble, because I woke him up, you know. But it's morning time, and this is the adventures of babysitting. So, start things off from your nearest Safeway store. A box of Signature Select Berry Crackles, $2.99. $2.99. No, I'm starting off with Berry Crackles. $2.99. And a box of Captain Crunch is $4.79. Damn, that's a $2 difference. Dadgummit. Well, you know what? Just let it play. Because you know what? Never mind. So
this guy did a lot of swearing over here.
Not on camera though. You don't want to do it on camera. But if you're looking for price points, yeah. Berry Crackles already wins the price right there. So we got price, taste, the crunch and texture, milk sugar content, sogginess. And I'm throwing in consistency in there, which is going to go hand in hand with the sogginess. Because let's say you want a quick bowl of cereal for 5 minutes, and you know you just want to go and eat. Like some people want to keep it consistent. Some people want to keep it that crunch there for the whole bowl, and some people kind of want to sit around a little bit. Maybe when I was like 6, I loved the sogginess. As an adult, I still don't like it, but
my dad likes cereal.
Oh yeah, I know he likes cereal. So we're gonna start this off right. Already, without even biting into a bowl of cereal.
Okay.
The taste of Berry Crackles.
It's really sugary.
That's too sugary. This one right here.
Guys, make sure to go check out my brother's channel because.
What is his channel?
He has a channel.
No, he doesn't.
We'll keep the link below.
Yeah, we don't have a link. We don't have a link to anything.
Just go.
We don't have any links except for this channel right here. This is gonna be on YouTube. Can I do this, please? Can I do this, please? They'll find out in the whole description. Let me do this. I gotta get to work.
Just scroll down and then you'll see the.
Yeah, you'll see it. You'll see it somewhere down below somewhere in the description, maybe.
Where the
So I'm about to go ahead.
subscribe button is.
Good. Good job. All right, go. Oh, by the way, it's Captain Crunch. Yeah. That's great.
Cranberry doesn't taste that sweet when it's dry.
No, it doesn't. No, it does not. Now, berry crackles.
This one tastes sweet when it's dry, though.
Sugar.
Sugary?
That is a mouthful of sugar. But it's both sugary cereal, but
And guys,
this one
milk is pink.
already?
Already, yes.
Okay, well, points for Cackles for the sugary milk content. Let me try that real
1
quick.
point. 1 point. 0 points.
Oh gosh. Okay.
1 point.
Yeah, this is hecka sugary milk already, and it's getting a little soggy there too, isn't it? It sure is.
Mix it so it gets wetter.
Well, you still want you want to mix it in there a little bit. Oh, and the term is more wet.
The wetter it gets, the more you can eat it.
More wet. Oh yeah. Just to let y'all know, I'm not like other channels either. There's no epic music playing in the background. I'm not gonna talk about I'm not gonna talk about how the cereal, how I can smell it as soon as I open up the box and be all epic and try to be all funny. No. I'm doing this for me. Okay? I'm not.
For himself.
It's all by myself with the assistance of what are you doing? With her and Q-Bird. Q-Bird.
What?
Can I get some music real quick?
No.
I can.
Go. Give me some music. You're really entertained by this, aren't you? Come on
2 points for you.
Come on right here, man. All right. This is why we do this at nighttime. This is why I do this at nighttime. You hear this? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Stop. All right. As far as consistency, Crunch Berries wins that consistency point. As far as
It's what, 2 points.
2 points. All right, so you got a better. There's a better crunch.
No, there's actually a good crunch in this one too.
But I like the
So there's
I like
both.
the texture. I like the texture in this one right here because it's still consistent, as you can see. Even though I mixed it up again, that one looks more soggy than this one. So,
What's this one taste like?
sugar.
Sugar?
A mouthful of sugar. That's what it sounds like, a spoonful of sugar. It has no type of yeah, see. So, folks, for all you kids out there, for all you parents out there in the land of there,
This one tastes
if you want some sugary cereal, you want to go with that. Thank you. That's called.
And if you don't want any sugary cereal, take some Captain Crunch.
You know what? I ain't even had to say it. Boom, she said it for me. I ain't have to say nothing, yo. I ain't gotta say nothing.
Maybe you shouldn't have a YouTube channel then.
Maybe I should have a YouTube channel.
I'm the one who talks too much, so maybe you shouldn't have the YouTube channel.
How you gonna talk too much on my show? I'm not supposed to be talking too much. You really just supposed to be. How much is over there? Yeah, cover that.
No. No.
Anyway,
Every
I'm trying
single
to I'm trying to do my episode here. See, you are a special guest. You
Why
ain't.
are you not letting me?
You're not.
in the
Oh gosh.
camera?
Oh gosh. Oh, this is so powerful. I can smell it right through the box. No, you're not getting that from me. No, because you're just straight up me. Okay. I give it to you how it is. I ain't got no heavy music playing in the background. Again, I'm going to say that again. Right now, there's some video game stuff going on. If y'all can hear it, but I'm pretty sure you can. Because
Quick to turn it up.
No.
Yes.
No. It's Q-Bird.
Hubert, turn it up.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Why we get her on set?
I don't know.
Q-Bird, how'd she get on set?
It was your idea.
No, it was not.
It was.
Yeah, it was my idea. This is what I deal with, y'all.
Don't blame me.
How much time we got? Oh, it's 10 minutes. Okay. So what time is it? Oh, snap, I gotta get ready for it, Christmas, but. Okay. As far as I like the taste of this one better. This wins on the taste, because it's not too sugary.
3 points.
Taste,
2 points.
it's got better consistency and a crunch. This one wins
Really?
at sogginess. It gets soggy fast. It gets soggy very fast. But if you like to drink the milk, which is a key important part of eating cereal, and you want to drink that milk, this one gets sugary milk quicker. You know. So if you like that, then sure, by all means, there's one more. Oh, and the price. It may sound like it's a tie, but honestly, this one it comes down to my best judgment here. It seems like it's 3-3, but this one has stronger points because it is not because it's name brand. Because just look at it. I'm like, you even get to play a game in the back of this one. You get to play a game. This one, you know what you get on this one, on the back side of this one? Guess what you get? Another one. So, guess what? But you get a game on this one. All right, come on. Like,
Can I see?
yes.
Oh, wow.
You get this one. You get a game here, and you just get another side of cereal. I mean, the same side. I mean, come on now. Come on. Now, I know when I was a kid and I would eat some cereal, I would play the game on the back while I ain't round the backs, but I'm sitting there. Oh, I found this. Oh, I found a letter in a tree. Oh, all that stuff, yeah. I can do that. This one, oh, I get the same side. And the same side. Huh. So, yeah. Captain Crunch takes the win for this one right here. Winner.
Loser.
That's the winner.
Blech. Dead.
Thank you. I was just going to throw it forward, but okay, that works too. So if you want to, Clint, you just eating free cereal now.
No.
So basically,
I'm always hungry.
hey, you talk about me being always just being hungry. Wow, look at that.
Yep.
So yeah, you want a spoonful of sugar? Berry Crackles all the way. That's just nothing but sugar, y'all. I don't even know what it
But
tastes
if you want healthy, take some
Healthier?
Captain Crunch.
healthier. Yeah, go
Take
this.
Captain Crunch.
And if you're big into fitness, I probably wouldn't recommend any one of these. So
Maybe take some Cheerios.
yes, I would definitely do the Cheerios. So with that bit ado, the winner here, Crunch Berries, takes it.
No more of you.
No. Well, okay. Thank you for just doing that. I'm like, usually we have it up there for effect, but she decides to just come on set and she was running things apparently.
Now
So-
it's I took over your
No, you
YouTube
didn't.
channel.
No, you didn't. Yeah, so we're going to be out. Tune in for the next episode, round 4. We don't know what it's going to be. It's going to be full of surprises. You never know which cereal is going to win what. You know, sometimes name brand wins, sometimes store brand wins. You never know. So until next time, I bid y'all aware. I bid you adieu. My goodness, I cannot get my words today. Crunch berries. This.
Goodbye, everyone.
And we are out.
We like
Do not sing that song. Do not sing that song today. No. Give me some music then. Go play some music.
And then we're out.
Yes.
Peace.
All right. So don't touch it. I'll touch it. It's my camera. I got it.
I like Captain Crunch.
No.
Crackleberry.
Ow. Crackleberries. I like that. They didn't even say crackleberries. It needs to be called crackleberries.
Crackies, berries.
All right, y'all. Peace out for real. I gotta get to work. Throw a peace sign up.
Hey.
Get on some camera, girl. Don't touch the camera. I got this. All right. Bye.
Peace. Bye.
This is the camera right here. That's the one recording right there. This one.
Peace.
Bring it down. And we are out.